Okay, we have discussed about the many things, about the creation of the tables, figures, mathematical equation, BibTeX program, how it works, splitting of the large documents, that also we have discussed. This entire knowledge you can use it for the report creation. Our final goal is to create a very good report, that we are going to discuss. But prior to that, one important part is still remaining, how to create the presentation. Very quickly we can complete it. How to create the presentations using the LaTeX system. So up till now we have referred the document class, \document class, and in the curly bracket it was mentioned that report. Okay, but now your interest is to study the creation of the presentation, and to create the presentation we will use another class and its name is Beamer, B-E-A-M-E-R. Now whenever you want to create your own presentation, at that time you can use whatever the template available, whatever the template I have created, you can use it. How to use that also I want to give some information about it, but first I will show you that output as well as the input. So open the text file beam.tex, and here you will observe that \document class Beamer. I think very important discussion is going on here, how to create the presentations. Already the report you have created with the help of the LaTeX system. The contents available into the report, very easily you can use it to create the presentation. Okay, first line of this is \document class Beamer. Now you are very well familiar with this, all these packages and all these things, colors. So initially what I want, you should not disturb this template, use it initially. Already the Beamer help file is with you. Later if you want to change the colors, if you want to add the animation, if you want to add the clock, later you can do it. But as a beginner, now today when you want to practice, try to create the different frames or the slides, you can say. Do not disturb the initial slides, initial frames. Okay. So here let's say the title of the presentation is LaTeX, the first frame we have. Then author, everything is mentioned. So this information is already you have. If you want to change the, whatever my name is there, your name, you can put it very easily. So, but don't go for that, because there are the many curly brackets and all these things are there. If you disturb anything, and there is a chance that very quickly you will get the error and you will be in the trouble. So you do not have the time now to rectify it. Okay, we are going to learn how to add the new frames and the structure or the how you are going to create the presentation, that quickly we will learn it. Okay, begin document, it is still available here. Begin document, end document, that is available. \frame, curly bracket, end of the curly bracket, and the title page. So this is the initial frame creation, first frame. Then the next line. In your presentation also you have to also create the table of contents. What are the contents are available? So these commands will create the table of contents for your presentation very quickly. So there is no need to disturb anything here. Next. So now I want to explain about this entire portion. \section. Your presentation is now going to start, let's say, and in the presentation the first slide is title. The second slide is just you are starting, introduction of the presentation. So the section is required, their section. So \section, in the curly bracket introduction you are given. The new frame you want to create related to this introduction. So the \frame is the command available. \frame, curly bracket, end of the curly bracket. This portion will give you the new frame. So the \frame, curly bracket, and finally we will observe the one curly bracket. Okay, this frame will also have the title, frame title, is say the need, and the different items. Already you have studied how to create these items in our experiment, and end atomize. So what is the syntax? \frame, curly bracket. If you have, if you want to give the frame title, you can give this \frame title in the curly bracket, the title of the frame. Very easily you can do that. Run this file and observe the output. So here you will observe the presentation. Now the colors, you can open it externally. Okay, this PDF file output is in the PDF. PDF file is created for you. Actually you want to go for the presentation in your class or for your examination. So presentation mode is available in the Adobe Reader also, and the shortcut is Ctrl L. If you press the Ctrl L, okay. So this on the entire screen you have this first slide where the title is there, name of the author, everything. The second, outline. What are the contents of your presentation that can be described here? Next, you have given the section heading, need, and all these things. So let's say we will create we want to create the new frame into this presentation. I will do that. Close this. Okay. Now go to the last prior to the thank you page. Yes, here we will create at this point. Yes, give some space there. Okay, prior to that, go to the top side. Go to the top side. Down. Prior to the thank you page, thank you slide, we want to add the one more slide, last slide. Yes, here thank you is here. Go to the, yes, here. One more. Here. Okay, enter. Yes, at this position we will add some frame, one new frame. So backslash frame, next line, enter, yes, curly bracket, okay, enter. Yes, so backslash frame, curly bracket, here you can put some contents after this curly bracket. Say this is my new frame. You can type this is my new frame, and you will observe that new frame will be created very easily. Type something, this is okay, and run this, and here you have observed this is my new frame. To this frame you can give the title also, where you can give the title after this bracket. You can observe that earlier syntax. Frame title you can give the section, subsection, also you can add it. It is very easy to go on adding the frames. So use the available template. Later you can change the colors, backgrounds, anything you can do it. You can change your name of the presentation, everything. Okay, this is possible. You can practice. Now you have to practice this presentation, how to create the presentation.